Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video blog. This month we're going to discuss the Retroline Mini and what fittings you need to install it into a 1/2-inch CTS PEX pipe. The Retroline Mini is an advanced, self-regulating, in-pipe, small geometry heating cable system. The Retroline Mini can be installed in pipes as small as 1/2-inch CTS, commonly known as PEX pipe. Now, when you're purchasing the Retroline Mini for a 1/2-inch PEX pipe, you will note that we do not sell a specific compression style T for 1/2-inch PEX pipe. For that type of application, you will be purchasing the Retroline Mini as an IP version, which comes with a 1/2-inch male threaded adapter. From there, you have to seek out the proper fittings, as I've done here, to allow you to adapt the Retroline Mini into a T setup with fittings that will then allow, as I have here in my hand, 1/2-inch PEX to interface in, allowing the water to pass through on a 90 and the heating cable to pass straight in. Now, when it comes to the fittings to use, I have here an arrangement of a couple different fittings you're going to find on the market. The reason it's important to discuss these is the Retroline Mini end seal termination, as you see here in my hand, has an outer dimension of 11 millimeters or about 7/16 of an inch. Well, the Retroline Mini will easily pass through a 1/2-inch PEX pipe. It will not easily pass through commonly available fittings. So here we have in brass insert barb, 1/2-inch male, 1/2-inch PEX. The passageway through this insert barb is reduced as it goes inside the PEX pipe. The Retroline Mini will not pass through it. Here we have another common fitting that you'll see on the market, more of an insert style, 1/2-inch PEX by 1/2-inch male thread. This fitting, slightly better than the brass insert barb, but it has an internal indexing collar. This internal indexing collar will be problematic as it too reduces down to a size too small for the Retroline Mini to pass through. A third option, a fitting we have here that is readily available, and if you would like to learn more about this fitting, you can contact Heatline, has an interior passageway which is completely open. There's no internal reinforcing barb, there's no guiding internal collar, and it allows the heating cable to pass through easily. So remember, when you're purchasing a Retroline Mini to install with 1/2-inch PEX, you need to ensure the fittings you purchase will allow the heating cable to pass through. We hope you found this video blog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video blog monthly, so make sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, following us on Facebook or our other social media pages. Thank you for watching.